All right, welcome to the continuing part of this course where I show you how to edit your website. So let's continue on this. Now, these are the things we're going to cover in this particular video: how to change the website name across all the pages. For example, let's go to the login page. For example, you will see there is no branding to this thing as it were. The same thing with your sign up page. How to create an account, right? Same thing with the sign up page. So we want to change all of these things, and even the admin. Let's even go to the admin section. So this is how to access your admin, the admin panel, your website slash admin. Then the username, sorry, let me log out. So the username is admin. The the password to the admin panel by default is also admin, all in small letters. Excuse me. So I've logged into the admin panel. So we're going to add our site name here. So that's what all these things mean: how to change the website name across all pages, edit, we're going to edit the login page, registration page, password recovery page, the the user verification email. We're going to set this, so when a user registers, they get an email. Then edit admin panel header and even the admin panel footer. So we're going to do all these things. Now there is a guide. So this particular document is going to guide us through on how to go about it. So to start, the first one is to change the website name. So we go to core helpers vendors and then sites.php. So let's go there. Let's go to core helpers vendor site.php. We're going to edit this. I want to be fast with this video. So we're going to take away this site name and add speedy VTU hub, correct? Yeah. So you're done with this, click on save changes. Then we close this tab. The next thing is to edit the user login, the user's login page. But first, we need to log into the admin panel. We'll go to site settings, go to website style, then we'll do those changes. So let me show you. So you go to this is the admin panel. You go to site settings, go to website style. So this is the color, the user homepage color. This is by default. You can click on it to change it, but I'm not doing that now. So these are different login, the login style. I like number two. Number two is okay for me. So let me just go with number one. Okay, for the user login style. So when they want to log in, this is what it shows. Then for the user's home page, the home page style and design, let me pause and allow this thing to scroll. So this is the number 5. I think the number 5 is cool because of the banner. That's a scrolling banner. I will go with number 5. Okay, I'll go with number 5. So let's go with number 5. So it's already on number 5. And I'll click on. So remember, for the login, we chose number 1. Or let's just choose number 5, so that everything just blends together. Okay, 5, 5. So we update this. This is updated. Then we now go to public underscore HTML mobile, then login, and do that and do a bit of a change there using this particular code. Let me copy this code, this particular line of code. Mobile login. So let's go to mobile. This is mobile. Then login. and we are working with 5, right? Login 5. So we edit this. So right here, we're going to go to what we want to change. We want to add, first of all, add a heading. So we're going to change. So what we want to do right here is to add a heading, then change. So I'm going to go to, let's add it somewhere here around the heading. So this is the header side. Okay. Okay, so now we chose login, this user login style 5, which is what you can see here. Let's allow it to scroll. I want to show you something quickly. Okay, we chose user login 5. See, now when you try to, so this is the login page. It's not looking nice. So I decided to go with 1. And probably just change it. And then when I refresh, brings me here. So this makes it easy. So let's close this. Okay, and edit login 1. So that header is somewhere around here. You know, we copied it, right? We copied this, but there's no need to copy it because all we have to do is just change what is here to speedy and save changes. So when we refresh, you will see a change here. So this is done. The next thing is to edit the registration page. So we go to mobile, then register. It's pretty the same thing. Mobile. Let's go up one level. Mobile and register. This is where we are. Then we are editing register 1. Right? Yes. Edit. So we come here and change PD VTU up. Check changes. So the next thing we want to do, sorry, this is not what I wanted to open. Next thing I want to do is edit the password recovery page. Okay, so well, let's look at something. Okay, good. Edit password recovery page. Let's close this and go up one level. The recovery is going to be 1 as well. Recovery 1. Okay, so that's that. What's the next one? Edit user verification email. So go to core models and accounts. Core models and accounts. So go to core models and account.php, and we edit it. So let's go down. So this is the email that will be sent to users. So what we want to do is to hide the name of the user. Welcome to Speedy, which we have already set. We've set the site name, remember the site name. So what we want to edit is you can access. Okay, so all we need to do is just change the phone number. That's all. We don't even need to work with this content. Just change the WhatsApp number. So for you, you just come here and put in your WhatsApp number. Is that simple? That's the only change that is to be done here. Everything here is okay. So uh, that's that. Now this is an edited script. I've edited this particular script to make it easy. If not, if we were to go by the original script, we have to go through editing it from scratch. So I'm making it so simple for you. Now we have to edit the admin panel header. So we're going to admin dashboard and include admin. Let's go to admin dashboard includes. So we are looking at the header, editing the header. Okay, so on the header, we'll just simply just change this. This is what we're going to change. And put VTU hub. Go and save changes. Let's see. Okay, so this header is not showing. Let's go back. Okay, let's use this. So you fill this, and save changes, and see. Let's see how it works here. Okay, it's looking very big. So what we need to do is move it to H3. I'm going to move this to H3. Okay, H3. Make it smaller. Okay, so this is okay. It's not bad. Licensed by top mate. So I'm going to change this, which is the footer header. So let's go to footer, which is this. Edit. So here you're going to remove this. And okay, or you can just make this invisible. not necessarily, just remove this. Just look. Okay. I think we could just say developed by. Let's go with this instead. I'm going to remove this and save. Guess that will do it. Okay. Alright, so this solves it. So where are we now? Admin panel footer. And we are done. Let's go through it. Okay, let's go to dashboard. Okay, I guess we are done. So let's go to the login page, registration page. Let's go to the password recovery page. Okay, on this place we're going to change this. So let's go back to, we're going back to mobile. We're going back to mobile. Not login, recovery, right? Mobile recovery, and I think we're working on one. Edit. Okay, so we change the phone number. Yeah. So you change the phone number. Yeah. You see that? So let me just leave it at my number. Okay. Leave it there. And I save. Refresh is there. Okay. Good and fine. So we've come to the end of this particular part of this course. So watch the next video for the next details. All right, welcome to this part of the course. So we will continue on editing of the website. So in this part, we're going to consider how to edit a couple of things. Number one, how to edit the website name across all the pages of the website, from the maybe from the login page to the um to what to the registration page, to the forget password page, to the admin panel, all right, that controls the website, to the admin panel, and all of those things. Okay, so here I'll be considering these 7 things in this video: how to change the site name across the pages, edit the user page. I think I mentioned all of those things. So here is a simple guide I have created on how to do this. Okay, so it will be easy to follow this way. So let's start with the first one: how to change the website name across all pages. So we are going to go to core, we're going to go to helpers, we're going to go to vendor, and then we'll go to site php. Core, helpers, vendor. Okay, so let's go. Public HTML. So we'll go to core, helpers, vendor, site php, and edit it. So here, let me show you an example. So let's access the um okay, let me continue with what I'm doing. Okay, I would have done something here. So let's do something. I want to show you what this is about. So let's go to, let me just register an account. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. I'll simply change this to Speedy VTU Hub. So that has been achieved. Next thing is to edit the user login page. So we have to access the admin panel, then go to site settings and website. So I'm done with this. I close this. We're going to go to the admin panel of the website. How do you go to the admin panel? Type your website, put slash and put admin. So by default, the admin panel is password is admin, so username is admin, password is admin, all in small letter.